I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it. Smile on the surface, hell burning inside it. Acting like I'm fine, but who am I trying to fight with? Yeah, I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it. I laugh loud so nobody sees the truth, 'cause sadness hits harder when it's tied to you. Friends keep saying, man, you're doing great. Yeah, they don't see the nights I suffocate. I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it. Smile on the surface, hell burning inside it. Acting like I'm fine, but who am I trying to fight with? Yeah, I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it. Some scars don't fade, we just stop showing them. Some love don't die, we just stop growing them. And maybe that's okay, but damn, this heart still breaks. I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it. Smile on the surface, hell burning inside it. Everybody thinks I survived it. Yeah, I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it. Yeah, I ain't healed. I just learned how to hide it.
This dance is called Hide It, choreographed by Colin Ghys and Ivonne Verhagen. It's a 16-count, 4-wall, high beginner rolling 8-count line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot forward, sweep your left foot forward, sweep your right, jazz box, cross, back, side, weave, cross, side, behind, step right foot to the side, sway body right, sway body left. Step right foot forward, lift your left leg back, raise both arms up, round back, left, right, left. Section 2, quarter turn right to 3 o'clock, step right foot side, sway body right, left, right foot, cross rock, recover side, left foot, cross rock, recover side, right foot forward, pivot half turn left, facing 9, right foot forward, lift your left knee up, left foot, coaster step. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.